What is Goomba doing?
Eating my sandwich.
You talk about this point, bro.
Just kill yourself. Declan, get over here.
Oh my god.
No, I'm scared.
Bro said
I'm scared.
bro lost all.
Declan. Oh, okay.
Bro lost all.
Declan, why don't you want to be with me?
Because you're murdered.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Oh, Ryan's murdered.
Oh,
Hey, Zink, do you like my cookie?
Nobody will find me.
Zonk is murdered. Zonk is murdered.
Nobody will
some
find me.
random girl lagging like hell.
Yep, Zonk's murd.
No, it's not. It's not. It's not. We're good.
It's some random girl that
She just killed someone, though.
I was standing still and she missed me 3 times.
What if they shoot an innocent?
You die.
Guys, I spent 100 Robux for this.
Dog.
What you got?
GG.
GG song.
Just type it in chat. That was a whole waste of
I
money.
died.
You spent 1,000 Robux for that?
100.
100.
Hey, Declan, try to get through. Oh?
I'm murderer.
Murder.
Murder.
It's stuck. 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 It's when we Declan.
For you, Ryan. Oh, it's over for you, Ryan. I don't. Declan.
Don't think about it, just move your body.
Not we're thinking tactic.
I think. Bro, what are you. Oh! He's in!
Someone translate that. Someone translate Fuidente home.
Bro, where did this person come from? Alex, just give me the gun.
What you patch do?
Nope, he's dead.
There's a gun.
And I'm dead. What a camper! Look at this. Look at this pocket.
About it, just move your
Zach just killing the
Amy!
Oh yes, Zeke! Zeke! Go to the machine.
Where's the machine? Where's the machine?
Alex is already in it.
I'm gonna go in. Wait, let me go in. Let me go in.
Alex, remember the time he's standing?
Kill me. Alex, don't kill me. Please don't.
going up.
Hi, Alex.
Shit. Let's see
Wait,
what
did you get that clip of Reese this morning? Like,
Yes, bro. Did you see the new video?
the parkour skills of ninja.
Bro, Ryan!
But flattened, bro.
Why is Alex's cheeks spread open, bro? 1 second. What is this? Bro, you have the most horrendous avatars, bro.
He's got the iPad good buster.
Alex, you cannot be talking!
He's got. I'm shooting.
wait, can you send it to the GC? wait, Alex died? Who's murdered?
I don't know. Oh, Alex shot me and died.
Bro, look in the lobby.
What? This is not the. Ew! Why does your butt stick out? Goonplug needs to leave. Someone tell Goonplug to leave, bro. I mean. Declan's home is the biolab. Just kill me already.
Super low.
I need to play Egyptian's Curse on this, bro. Oh,
Why'd you turn into?
Alex, you should have put a nuclear bomb in your crotch area. That'd been more funny.
Yeah, like make a nuclear day.
Is anyone Russian?
Guys, let's go to the murder one thing.
Yes, I'm.
Oh wait, let me go. Okay. I'm not gonna. Oh my life. I'm ill.
In the machine. Chat, she's following me. She's gonna kill me.
Oh, hi, Zink.
How do you do?
Bro's a little festive. Johnny, a little bit. Ew, Alex! Ew! He's a furry!
Oh, frick,
I'm
Alex.
next.
Me next. Me next.
Alright, Galen.
No, I'll go last.
Activate it.
I got it.
Alright, let's redo it.
You ready?
Ryan, you can't enter the machine while
He's water.
Oh, stand down! He's resisting! He has a weapon! Oh! Declan, you want our toes tickling? Aw.
No.
Stop! Yeah, they're just gonna win.
Hey, bro.
He's right on top of me.
Bro, he can't aim! What is he do? Oh, yes!
I'm going to the teamers win, Mabu.
Yes, my book. Carry! What a carry! Bro, Alex.
It's raining time.
What a 2018 skin, bro. Bye, lab. I'm gonna have different theme songs for each skin. That'd be cool. Give me some hood. I try to kill the sweats. Let me have vengeance. Don't let me have vengeance. Okay, I see how it is.
Oh, we won our teamers left.
Yes, bro. What Alex means when he says reference to the
It's speed glitch.
bro.
I mean, it's speed glitch.
That's it. I'm done.